Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as personal, private, or confidential in Outlook. This is a useful feature when you need to send sensitive information and want to ensure recipients understand the nature of the content they're receiving. To get started, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait a moment for all your emails to load completely. This ensures that everything is synced properly and you'll have access to all the features we need. Once your email has fully loaded, we're ready to begin the process of marking an email with the appropriate sensitivity level. Look at the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a fresh email composition window where you can craft your message and apply the sensitivity settings. Now that you're in the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top of the window. Here you'll see several tabs available for different functions. Click on the Message tab. This tab contains various options for customizing how your email is formatted and delivered to recipients. Within the Message tab, you need to locate the Tag Options section. Look for the Message Options button, which typically appears as a small box with a downward right-pointing arrow. This icon might seem small, but it's important because it gives you access to the advanced properties of your email. Click on this button. A message property window will appear on your screen. This window contains several important settings that control how your email is handled and displayed. From here, you can set various parameters including delivery options, tracking settings, and most importantly for our purposes, the sensitivity level. Look for the sensitivity drop-down menu within this window. Click on it to reveal the available categories. You'll see options like normal, personal, private, and confidential. Choose the category that best matches the nature of your email content. For instance, if you're sending financial information, you might select confidential. If it's a personal matter, choose personal or private accordingly. After selecting the appropriate sensitivity level, click on the Close button to return to your email composition screen. The sensitivity tag has now been applied to your email, though you might not see a dramatic change in the composition window itself. When you send this email, the recipient will be able to see the sensitivity level you've assigned. This tag appears in their inbox and when they open the email, giving them a clear indication of how to handle the information you've shared. It's a professional way to communicate the importance and confidential nature of your message, and that's how you mark an email as personal, private, or confidential in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.